Hello, everybody, and welcome back to uh, my channel. So this is going to be about how I was able to catch 50 pips on GU. So first things first is understanding that keep on messing up my chart. Is understanding the overall volume at first is predominantly bullish on both the monthly time frame and of how last week closed. All right. So I also understood that we are maintaining higher low points. So overall, we are looking for more buys. Now, this time frame isn't having a lot of detail, and on top of that, we were maintaining 23.6% the entire time. Right, so we were up here. Sorry. So, following H1 structure, had my first fib, kept on modifying it. Now, I left it right here just because these spikes are a bit too long and it maintained this area of resistance. So first things first was I was seeing that we maintained this level right here, and we were still predominantly on this move and looking at this exhaustion type candle too. Now, when I was on these lower time frames, I didn't really like of how this candle was forming, this H1 candle, but you know, those VIX might not mean much if it's not being shown on 2 time frames. So I went down to 1 time frame lower, didn't really see it. All I saw was this push up and it breaking this level of resistance right here. I really didn't count this one because 1 time frame higher, you really don't see it. I counted more predominantly this one. So my lower time frame lower time frame fibs A to B. So I didn't really like of how this one formed. Predominantly, I really like it. Looked like it was starting to maintain a level of support right here, but nothing too impactful. But seeing the fact that there's also predominantly more bullish momentum here too, went on to a lower time frame. Saw the fact that it was maintaining this level of support, but mostly the fact that it broke this trend line. Right. So after it broke that trend line, right here, boom. So my stop loss was about 15 pips. And I was predominantly aiming for this higher time frame fib based off of H1, right? So my risk to reward was about almost a 4 to 1. So good risk to reward. So from here was, even after doing this retrace right in here, went down to M5, was still maintaining structure. Understood that this was my predetermined stop loss where I was wrong. So saw that. Now you could have actually scaled in here, but I did not, just due to the account size. But there was a scaling opportunity for sure right here, right? So after it pushed up, retraced again. So after it pushed this, I was able to put my stop loss into profit above to where it had to break structure. Now, I exited predominantly somewhere up in here. Mostly, one, it was really, really close to my TP. And two, I could see the fact that volume was also slowing down right in here. Three, I was getting tired of the trade. I'm going to be honest. Like, I was tired of looking at it. I was a good profit. Um, I was waiting on a slight push up, but this candle right here, this long type of wick, I was out. I was done. So the projection was all the way up here, but I ended out with 50 pips. That's a good profit. Like, you're not gonna go broke taking profit. So, pretty simple trade, maintaining the trade as well. Seeing opportunities to scale in. We actually had 2 additional scale in opportunities that I didn't take advantage of, but seeing this now, definitely could have. And yeah, that's really it. You know, simple, simple structure type trade. So I hope this was helpful, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.